Hey everybody, Raghav here from the Michaels Marketplace. We're so excited to invite everyone to apply to become a seller at Michaels. Michaels has a wonderful marketplace that allows third-party sellers to list all their arts and crafts supplies, home decor items, seasonal decor items, and more on Michaels.com alongside all existing assortment. If you don't know, Michaels is the largest arts and crafts retailer in North America. We have over 1,000 stores across the US and Canada, and our website is extremely popular, getting tens of millions of shoppers every single month. Our marketplace attracts hundreds of sellers that are professional, high volume sellers of arts and crafts supplies like knitting needles, skeins of yarn, embroidery kits, resin, jewelry making supplies, all kinds of wonderful things that you can find in our stores and on our website. So if you're trying to figure out what to sell, check out our website, check out our stores for some inspiration. But we're making sure that all of our sellers are high volume, so typically doing over $1 million a year in e-commerce revenue, have a large catalog, typically over 1,000 items, although it can depend category by category, and are able to ship and fulfill and accept returns all within the US. Unfortunately, at this time, our marketplace and our e-commerce site is only for shoppers in the US. So if you don't have a US legal entity with an EIN that can fill out a Form W-9, a warehouse that can ship orders from a location in the US to customers in the US, and a returns facility that can accept returns within the US, we can't do business with you at this time. But if you meet all those criteria, great news, we want to get your relevant products on our website. So we're excited to offer more products to our customers. We've gotten great feedback about the expanded assortment that we have on our website through our marketplace. And a lot of sellers are experiencing great success listing products on site and being able to reach our really passionate audience of arts and crafts makers, seasonal decorators, home cooks, and much more. If you have questions about if your products would be a good fit, because that's obviously the biggest thing we're looking for is items that are a good fit, feel free to reach out to the Michaels team or to your Linworks contact who can get you in touch. If you want to learn more and fill out an application, awesome. Head to michaels.com/marketplace to get started and fill out your application. Make sure you mention that you're planning to integrate through Linworks, and we'll be sure to review your application and be in touch soon. So thanks very much, everyone, and looking forward to having you be a part of the ecosystem.